Hi everybody, Chad, my most favorite sister-in-law, Julie Woolsey with the Knowles Woolsey Team Remax Hallmark Che. Welcome to 29 Irene Drive in Barrie's beautiful south end. We have an awesome property for you, raised bungalow, 3 big bedrooms, and also 2 full bathrooms, some really nice finishes as well.
That's right, Chad, and the location of this one is also amazing. With close proximity to the 400, all of your daily amenities are close by, and if you're like me and you like to shop, Park Place is right around the corner. Let's go inside and take a closer look.
Back inside here, lots of nice updates from the flooring to the cabinets, stainless steel appliances, 2 great sized bedrooms. You have a nice semi-ensuite, and my absolute favorite, if you know me, is a nice open concept design. The upstairs completely flows all the way downstairs.
That's right, Chad. This extremely unique layout has a loft-like feel with an additional bedroom, bathroom, and access to the garage on this lower level. It's absolutely perfect.
Great backyard, lots of living spaces. Whether you're like me and you like to perch up at the bar, the fire pit, or Julie on the couch or in the hot tub, this place has got it covered.
For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.